Step 8. Review and data transfer. The Eview feature allows you to review the current and previous study images. To review current study, press the Eview key while exam. In this page, you can review, delete, change view format, and print images for your patient. To review a previous patient, you must end exam first. Press Patient and then press Soft Key 1 to open the patient list. Find a patient you want to see and double-click the patient. Then all stored studies will appear. In this screen, you can also start a new study clicking New Study and then Exit. To review, select an exam and go to Eview. Stored images will come out. If you want to see in full screen or measure, select a desired image and click Review. In this mode, you are able to measure again. To select another image, create cursor by pressing left Set button. Move the cursor to another image and double-click the Set key. Soft key functions are on the bottom of the screen. To run Cine, press Soft key 5, and you can adjust the Cine speed rotating, Soft key 1. To transfer images, we'd better go to Patient Browser. Find desired patient. When double-clicking the patient, stored studies will come out. You can transfer by patient, study, and image. To select a desired image, double-click the thumbnail image. The Export, Send, Save As keys each have a different function. Export. This allows us to back up data as raw format. Save As. If we want to save images as Jpeg, WMV format, use Send As. It converts format and stores to USB or local hard drive. Send. This allows us to send data to PACS. Select your PACS server and send. After sending, you can check the status. Set one of our user-defined or numeric keys as DICOM spooler. It displays status of all DICOM transfers which have been sent or which have failed. And to send data via Wi-Fi network, you should have Wi-Fi adapter. Once you connect adapter, set the connectivity from the system preset. Click the wireless and select the Wi-Fi network. Please refer to the user manual for more detailed usage.